Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto knows the struggle is real even for families sending their children to private schools. To prevent the mass exodus of students from private to public schools, the city government passed this ordinance, temporarily waiving regulatory fees and extending the scholarship program. The City Scholarship Fund extension will help 3,000 indigent students from private schools.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.